Hi, Benz.
Hi, Michael.
Do you need help with that?
Oh, yes, yeah, you know, I'm new here and I'm still trying to get acquainted with the equipment we have here.
I understand. And that's what I'm here for. You know, you can call me anytime. I'm going to assist you.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. As a matter of fact, you don't have to thank me. You pay for it. And it's my job. So I'm just doing my job.
Thank you, Coach.
So what we're going to do right now is, let's have a push.
Alright.
Let's go.
Push.
1. Come on.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go down.
Down.
1. Let's go. The second one. Don't forget your arms. Let's go. Down. Again.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Whew.
How do you feel now?
Oh my God, exhausted already.
You're doing great. Okay.
Thank you so much.
I think it's a bit better now.
Yes, it is. It's better.
Call on me.
Alright, thank you. Has turned gym pro. Oh please, don't even go there. But I must confess that I'm enjoying every bit of this place. I told you you enjoy joining the workout with me. Yeah. But one thing baffles me here. Why all this? Everyone eating before beer, drinking beer after working out. Is it nice? Is it good for the health?
There we go. Sometimes it's not about working out. You just make a move and get a contact.
Contact? Yes. Well, I don't know about that part. I'm here to work out, and work out I shall do solely. Alright girls, have fun. I have to go back to working out.
Water, please, water.
Drink.
Easy does it. Yeah.
Sorry. Kenechukwu, Sanu.
Thank you.
Hope you're better now. Oh.
Yes, I'm.
Zirinka nadawasa. Zirinka. How are they feel now?
Fine.
Better.
Fine. Yes.
Shaking now.
Yeah, thank you so much. If you didn't come here, I didn't know what would have happened to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It's nothing. Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Thank you. I would really like to appreciate what you just did for me now. I would want to give you a treat.
Okay. It's alright. Say, call me. Anytime you're ready, you can contact me.
I will call you. Yes.
Never problem. Don't worry. Yeah? Please, bottle of water. So, enjoy yourself.
Yes, I will call you. I'll meet you up anywhere.
Chief.
Angel.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning. How are you? Hope you slept well.
What's that?
Yeah.
Dad, there's no breakfast.
Mom didn't make breakfast?
Yes, there's nothing at the dining table.
Wow. Don't worry, okay? I'll make us breakfast, okay? Come, let's go make breakfast. Angel!
Dad.
Yes, Angel.
Are you coming for my open day in school?
Angel, Dad will be at work, okay? But Mom will be there.
Dad, but Mom is not around.
What time is your open day?
It starts at 11 a.m.
Angel, Mom will be back by then, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Alright, drink up, okay? We're late already. You see, I can't wait for you to be back. So we'll have some fun and I'll help you do your homework, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Alright, drink up, okay?
Bosco!
it's now 11. Alright, I'll be there now. Okay. Thank you very much. See you. Oh my goodness, all past 10. I need to hurry up this meeting. Let me just check it.
So, are you bringing her this evening to the bar?
Are you serious about this?
Jackie, do I look like I'm joking? Don't worry, I will your pocket, you know what I'm saying? So bring her around, let's have some fun.
Oh. Okay. I will.
My brother will come around to pick you guys around 5. So see you soon.
Alright. See you.
Bye.
Take care.
Jackie.
Vasco! Vasco!
Yes, madam.
Open the gate.
This one that madam just runs out like that. I hope that all is well. I have not even eaten since morning. Like say madam will get her house wet now that will be cooking. And that will not be any problem. By now I couldn't eat. If madam know the house help will come keep me company now. Okay, make madam just get one house help. Make it no cook. This me advantage now. As madam don't come on now, me and the house help, we go just there and enjoy ourselves. But wait. I think that I have to suggest this thing to madam. I will reason with madam. I will reason with madam. I know.
What is it? You've been using repeatedly.
I'm fine.
You're not fine. I noticed you've not been happy right from the beginning.
Is it not that burning slave or whatever she calls herself? Did you notice the way she was seeking Micah's attention?
She doesn't appear to me like an attention seeker. Not like her 2 other friends. Same here. I mean, did you guys see the way Sonia was throwing herself at honorable chicks today? She was just making fool of herself, and it was obvious. I don't think so. You know, he actually gave her his complimentary card. What? Yes.
I didn't notice that. Maybe I was carried away with the Venice.
You were carried away by Micah.
What are you talking about? Which Micah? Who is Micah compared to the other boys that comes to the gym?
Well, Micah is a fine boy, And it won't be bad if I have a taste of him. God forbid.
I don't do small boys, I do men. It's all about the money, baby.
Exactly. It's all about the money. Yeah, we'll be going to see Santa Claus later today. So I need to go in and freshen up and take a nap. Yeah? I don't know what you did to him, but it's okay. You can go with me. But it's fine. We'll go with me. Thank you. He's like, he thinks he does. Okay. It's all about the money, baby girl. I don't care. I don't care. Before you know it, like, you just take me away from her. It's muscle. Calm down. Calm down. Easy body. Thank you. Is everything okay? Because I picked you up from school, you've been moody.
And you don't know why, Mom?
No, I don't. If I did, I wouldn't be asking you this question.
Mom, you didn't even come for my open day in school. And all my classmate parents were in school. You only care about Jim or yourself.
No, darling, no. Thing is, it skipped my mind. No, mommy has been really busy with work. But I am so sorry, darling. Don't say that. I don't care about myself alone. I really do care about you. I'm so sorry, my darling. Oh my God, what did I do? Shit, I'm so sorry, okay? Don't worry, I will make it up to you, alright? I'll make it up to you. Angel! Baby, come! You don't need to cry. I'm so sorry. Listen, I'll make it up.
Hey.
Hey, baby. So, how is she?
She's sleeping now.
I don't know how I was able to forget her opening day. I don't know what I was thinking, baby.
Babe, don't you think we should reduce this gym thing?
Huh?
Yes. I mean, it's taking away from us. Babe, I literally make breakfast every morning. That is because you leave the home very early and you return when we're out.
Don't even go there because you and I know that you don't like microwave meals. If not, I would have been preparing any meal you want before going to the gym.
Okay, babe, how about you skipping the gym during weekdays and go during weekends? How about that?
What are you saying? What are you talking about? Have you forgotten that I am a member of the gym group and we have set our targets? Moreover, I am working out this much to stay beautiful for my dear husband.
Babe, why are you stressing out? I love the way you are, yes. You're so extra carefully created and this is going to be for every baby.
I love you too. I love the way you are.
So you're biting me now, like, this is not fair now. Come on, man.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Just let it go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Beautiful baby. I like the food. Very good. That is why I always come here. I patronize them because they can cook. Every of their meal is very, very delicious.
I can testify.
Ah, yes.
Wow. Alhaji, thank you so much for bringing me here. You know, this is nice, it's beautiful, it's serene. I just love it. I love it. And their food, wow.
Remember what you taught me for gym? that you want to appreciate me for helping you for.
Exactly.
That you must give me a tree.
Yes.
And that's why I decided to give you the tree.
Thank
so
you.
enjoy it. You've never even tasted the meat, pa.
Oh, really?
Their meat is very, very Wallahi. How is it?
Very soft.
And sweet, have you?
Nice. Wow.
Guy. These people I can cook wallahi.
Very well.
Wow. So, babies. How about your friend?
My friend?
Yeah.
Which of my friends?
The one that joined the gym recently. That very tall and beautiful.
Oh.
Yellow.
Yes, my friend. Dennis.
Is that her name?
Yes, her name.
Benny.
Yeah.
Never concerned. Sonia.
Alhaji.
I like her. Exactly. Wallahi tallahi, from the number one day, all my heart has got for her. Wallahi, from the very first day I set my eyes on her, she put all this fire inside of me. What is the problem? Are you okay?
Yes, Alhaji, I'm fine.
Good.
Alhaji, she's my friend. She's married with a daughter. There are single girls you can pick from. I am single.
Sonia,
Alhaji.
I took you that from the very first day. All I wanted is that girl. That yellow popo. Wallahi tallahi, she's your friend. And every human being on this earth, wallahi tallahi, has a price. Yep. Do everything you can do. Make sure that you bring her to me. I promise I will reward you handsomely. I will pay you very, very well. Kenechukwu?
Yes, Alhaji.
Good.
She's my friend. I just follow my lead and she'll be all yours.
Wallahi yanzu ne kike fada abin da ya kaso da ki. Nigerian. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Well, I have been monitoring you from there and you have a very big energy. Yeah, you're working out very, very well. How are you? Want to tell me you want to carry this, huh?
Oh, yes.
Can I carry it?
Well, maybe I will.
Oh, you are.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Yes, I am. I've been searching for you since I came.
Sorry, I was in the restroom, nature class.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So, shall we?
Of course. And let's have your back and you sit. Just a second. You should go. Here, up, down. So just level. Let's go. Up, down, up. Good job. Down. Good job. Up, down. Let's go. 2 more. Good job. Good job. You're doing well. Give me 1 more.
You said 2.
Yeah, I just have to encourage you. 1 more.
Yes. Thank you so much for today.
Anytime. But you're leaving rather early today. Is it because your friends are not here?
Oh, no. I have a meeting with the client and it will be my first time meeting the client. It was 10 a.m. Remember the saying, first impression matters.
I agree with you. Anyway, I wish you all the best.
Alright, thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. See you.
Bye.
Like, he bought this for her. And look, I am pained. Thank you. You went all out just for an errand. After all the good time, the good meal, the treats. Just when I thought everything was in place, the next thing was Benny's. This is bad. Well, what are you going to do with this? What else? I call her to come take her gift. For what? Take which gift?
Yes. What's up now? I'm not free.
I wasn't feeling too well.
Me too.
Just a bit tired.
Sorry, but you don't seem unwell to me. Well, how are you feeling now? Hope better.
Yes.
Alright, you sounded like it was urgent over the phone. What's up?
Oh yes. This. You seem to have caught a big fish at the gym.
Harry, what's this?
Alhaji seems to like you, so he got this gift for you. Dennis, this man is loaded. Man, you've hit yourself a jackpot. Do you know that he's one of the richest men in his state? He is.
This is hilarious. Are you girls forgetting that I'm married with a child?
No, we're not forgetting. We'll still remember you're married with a child. Even Alhaji knows.
I'm so surprised you girls are seeing this. Long story short, I don't need the gifts and I'm not interested in Alhaji. Not now, not anytime, okay? I have to be on my way and please tell him that, okay?
Take that picture and see both at the gym tomorrow. Most importantly, get up soon. Okay? Bye.
This girl is the biggest fool I've ever seen. What sort of nonsense is this? This life no balance at all. Well, they say people will get national amusing. That is it. Well, I guess I have to return back the gift. For what? return rich gifts. The sight of it annoys me. This is the best opportunity for you to use this bellies of a girl, and that's Alhaji. Yeah, this is the best opportunity for you to use them. I don't get you. I don't understand.
I'm still at the gym, of course. And you know you are not here to take care of me. So when are you coming back? What? Next month? But why? I thought we agreed next week. Come on, baby. This is not fair. You don't have nobody here. This is not fair.
Hey, my baby. Welcome, Dad.
How are you? I'm fine. How was school today?
School was fine. How was work today?
Work was good, but hectic. My love.
Welcome, my darling.
My love. Nice. Babe, I need to freshen up, okay? I'll join you guys soon.
Okay, alright.
No, I love
Before
you.
you get back, dinner will be ready.
I love you.
I love you more.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright.
Angel, I forgot I bought you this.
Oh.
Thank you.
What did you get for me?
Babe, you're not a baby. Okay, I'll be right back.
Thanks,
I
Dad.
need to freshen up, babe. Woo!
What's that? You need to share with mommy, right? Alright. Quickly do like
Delicious.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, babe. Babe, you know what I was thinking? Maybe the whole family, we should go on a family picnic this weekend. What do you think?
That sounds nice. But where to?
They've told me about a particular resort at the island. What do you think?
I think I like the sound of that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, Dad.
Alright, then I'll make reservation for 3.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
I can't wait either. Babe,
Yeah?
this is so nice. No, I'm okay.
Okay.
I just love the taste.
As usual.
She appreciated all the gifts, but she has a condition
Which is?
that you don't come close to her at the gym to avoid gossip. You know the coach. The coach is related to her husband. Yes.
Anyways, that will never be any problem. Kinaji, I can handle it. I'm a professional. Yeah? I can always host her in my lodge anytime.
Okay, I would let you know whenever she's ready.
Please, I would like to host her in my lodge this weekend. Try and do everything possible to bring her over. I promise to pay you handsomely if you succeed in bringing her. Trust me. Wallahi, I will do it.
Consider it done.
Very good. I think I am done for the day.
Okay.
I shall be going.
Okay.
Yes, continue. Yeah. Do your work very well.
Consider it done, Alex.
Do your work very well.
Trust me.
I am expecting you.
Thank you.
Mika, my man.
Erika, what is it again? What?
Anyways, the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, PA, can I have his contact?
Not again. Erika, not again. No, I won't give you. Not again.
Mika, you know how they run these things now. Give me contact. I will report your pay now. You know how they run these things now. Give me contact. Give me contact. I do not want your percentage again. Give me now. I will finish the job.
Erika, this is going to be the last time I will do this for you. I mean, the very last time.
No problem. Just
And
give
my
me.
percentage must be complete. You know I don't joke with it.
No problem. Just give me. Put the pity all those men. Beg. Alright.
Erika, my percentage.
You have percentage. Give me.
I want my percentage.
No problem. Thank you.
So you are home.
Yeah, thank you. Sir Douglas, how about the iPhone you promised for?
Don't worry. Next week you get it. That's all. Something happened.
Next week? Huh?
Jackie, have I promised you anything I did not do it?
No, but this is rather taking too long now.
No. But I told you now something happened. The capital got delayed and it will be in by next week. So by next week you have it. Maybe before then let me just transfer some money to you so that you can buy one or two things.
Now you're talking.
You like money, you like transfers.
Okay, you're fine.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You like money. Women have money.
I think you sent to my Zenith.
Zenith, okay. I'm doing 50K.
If I don't make it 100 now. Just make it 100.
It's okay. I will change your name to Jackie the Transfer Baby. Okay?
No, make it one number now, make it 100.
Jackie.
Do you remember that girl?
Hey girls! Tell me how I look. How do I look?
You look smashing. I mean, I love this dress. When did you get it?
Last week from Chi.
Wow. Just let me know whenever she has new arrivals. And I need to show.
I will.
Where up, sir?
Well, I have a date with a PA to the Commissioner of Culture and Tourism.
What? That's a big catch.
Of course, that's me. I run the city. Well, the boss is actually the target. That reminds me, Sir Douglas sent me 100,000 naira. And he said I should hold on to that until the iPhone arrives. He said he sent you money as well.
Yeah, he did.
Alright, no problem, girls. Take care.
Alright, baby.
Bye.
Have fun. Bye.
Babes, it be like say Sir Douglas don't do too like me these days. What's in the stuff? Hey, no, stop that. That's not possible. I mean, he just did that to make up for his failed promise.
That's all.
Look at this one. Sorry.
Stop laughing, it's not funny.
I'm not laughing, my love. They've taken him away from you. That's it. That reminds me. I have somewhere to go to. I'll see you later.
No, it's not funny, just stop laughing.
I'm not laughing. Come on.
Better not be that he wants to dish me for Mimi. No, it can't be. So, we get down and you give me access to your boss.
Exactly.
And if you don't,
I have nothing to gain by lying to you. Well, I get my boss like 2 ladies every weekend. And I need girls like you to get that done.
let's get to business then.
No problem then.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We don't deal.
No problem.
Okay, you know what? Text me the hotel name and the room number.
No problem. It's a done deal.
Hey,
Hi.
what are you doing here by this time of the day? Did you forget something?
No. I'm here to see you.
Really? Is everything alright?
Yes. Actually here to see you.
Oh, I get it. You also need a contact, right?
Come on. If I need a contact, I know how to get my contacts. Look, I'm not one of these insecure women that stick around the whole journey.
I see.
See, I'm here.
Excuse you?
Don't be like that. No one is there. Just the two of us. Come on. Just enjoy the moments. I'm here to see you. I want us to hang out. Go to wherever you want. Okay? See, I'm all out for you today. Trust me.
I get it. Okay.
Why are you dragging me like that?
I'm not going to be free. Get out of here.
Okay then, I'll have this one and this one. Those 2 weeks. How much are they?
The two is 850,000.
850k. How about Sonia? Won't you give me a discount? I mean, you're too pricey.
See your life. I did not the same hair Alaji gifted you, but you completely rejected them. Now you're asking for discount.
We've gone with it, your allergy talk. Can we just talk about something else? Because it's never happening. I cannot cheat on my husband.
God. How are you sure this same husband is not even cheating on you?
Okay, fine. Let me just clear the air. Alex is not cheating on me. And even if he is, it's none of my business. I can't cheat back. I mean, it's against my Christian belief. I can't.
Bah. Let me see the former hand. Wait, let me just ask you this question. Are you doing all these things because of your husband? All men do cheat. Okay? Baby girl, what's up? What's this?
Why can't you have him to yourself?
I would have loved to, but he wants to.
Okay.
I'm not getting it.
Okay, girls, it's enough. Let's talk about something else, alright? And if it's because of the wigs, I am going to pay at the price that you called, but it will be on a 2 times installment. I hope it's okay, Brian.
Okay, it's fine.
Thank you. I better pack my hair, sorry.
Cynthia, please come with the bag.
Oh, let me stop coming. Why are you taking this person out? Huh? You see that you take it. Just now. Everything that you take up. Okay. Oh, it's 2 times. 2 times. Don't 4 times. Oh, you told me about that.
I've said it again and again. I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women.
A saint or what? I'm so pleased. God. Just calm down. Chief said he wants her over the weekend. How do you make that happen? And that's 2 days from now.
Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think. I've said it again and again. I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women. They don't place value on you. I love you with all my heart. I will never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think. I love you with all my heart. To never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think. We have come a long way, but they have changed. Can't believe they wish me to separate. Must I join their evil
Yeah?
ways? Must I join their cheating?
No, there's a case something that I want to tell you.
Okay, what is it?
Madam, I think that you could make a care house help that will be cooking. You know that you don't always have time. More time, you don't go out, you don't go to work. Or you don't go out. So house help be going to help?
Mr. Bosco, if I'm correct, I can't remember telling you that I have a tussle with my house chores, do I?
No, madam.
So why are you telling me this?
Madam, I want it to be very, very easy for you and Oka. So that the house help, you're going to do the cooking, you're going to cook, you're going to co-work. And you know that I like homemade food.
Okay, Bosco, just stop. Stop it. If I'm correct, my husband gives you 20,000 naira every week for your feeding.
That one not correct.
Right?
That one not correct.
Aside your salary.
That one not correct.
And I also give you homemade food, as you put it.
Yes, madam, that one not correct.
Right?
Not correct.
And then you stand before me to utter such rubbish? Huh? How dare you? Now this should be the first and last time you tell me such, Mr. Bosco. One more thing. I won't be giving you food anymore. Feed from your salary.
I've said it again and again. I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women. They don't place value on you. I love you with all my heart. I will never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think.
You don't need to talk like this now. I think that
I love you with all my heart.
this is
To
like
never
the
cheat
people
on
are just after me. I don't know what I have done now.
Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think. We have come a long way, but they have changed. Can't believe they wish me to separate.
Okay, Angel, that's enough. It's late and it's bedtime. It's already late, my darling. You have to go to bed.
Okay, Mom.
Come here. Good night.
Good night, Mom.
Mommy loves you.
I love you too.
Good night, my darling.
Good night, Mom.
All right, dear. Good night. Hey, Sonia. Good evening. What's up?
I'm good, babes. There will be a get-together this weekend, an upcoming event at the government house. I recommended you for the job, so you have to be there.
Oh, wow. Wow, thank you so much, Sonia. Well, please, can we reschedule for next weekend? Is it possible?
Bernice, we're talking about a government contract. Did you you know the number of event planners in line for this contract? This is a multi-million naira deal we are talking about.
Yes, what am I even talking about? Please, Sonia, I am really interested, okay? I'm going to see you tomorrow at the gym so we'll discuss more on it. Thank you so much once again. Good night. We have to reschedule. Oh my God, this is cool.
Thank you.
Babe, lest I forget. The picnic scheduled for the weekend, are we still going?
Oh yes, baby. I already made some reservations.
Can you not go with me? Like, can you just go along with Angel?
And why is that? What do you intend to do this weekend?
Something came up at my gym group.
This gym madness has got to stop, baby. What's going on?
Baby, just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. You don't even have time for the family anymore. What's going on, baby?
No, baby. I'm about to strike a multi-million naira contract from the government, all thanks to the gym. But the first meeting is this weekend, the same time scheduled for the picnic. Please, baby, if I don't go, I might lose this contract. Okay? We can also reschedule our picnic, alright? Please. You just have to understand me, I beg you.
I don't like this, babe. We're supposed to hang out as family.
I know it's my bad and I know.
How do you want Angel to feel about this?
I'm going to explain to her, darling. I'm so sorry, but this is something we've always prayed for and it's coming on a platter of gold. I'm so sorry. Please.
I don't like this, babe. Honestly, I don't like it.
Baby, I said I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, okay? We can reschedule and we're going to have mad fun. I'm sorry, okay?
Yes, Ed.
Always ready to bounce. Hi, my darling.
Hi, babe.
You can go in now, okay?
Mom, I thought we were going for a picnic today.
Yes, the picnic. Oh, I'm sorry. Daddy and I had to reschedule, okay? Mommy has an important meeting she cannot miss for anything. Right? I'm so sorry, okay? We can do this some other time. Alright.
Okay.
Give Mommy a smile. Come here. Alright, baby. I love you, darling. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, don't miss me too much.
Dad, I've told all my classmates that we're going for picnic. And now they'll think I'm lying.
Hey, Angel. Listen to me, okay? You've got nothing to worry about. With or without your mom, we're gonna have fun.
Yeah!
So let's go have fun! Let's go! Woo! Yes.
Where is everybody? Where are they? I think you said it's a get-together. Where is everyone? I am sure they are on their way. What's happening to them? I think we should order for something while waiting for them. Right? Yes. Good idea. If you just go like this, Waiter! Please come.
Bosco!
Yes, Oga.
Yeah, please open the gate.
Okay, sir.
family. There is nothing like family. Mama, see that boy, he don't enter. When he come to my room.
Angel,
you must go to bed, it's bedtime.
But Dad, Mom is not yet back. And I need to show her the pictures and what we bought for her.
Angel, you can do that tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Come. Let's go. Wait. Good night.
Good night, Dad.
Don't forget to pray.
Thank you.
I need to get a look at the time. It's so late. I need to go. Relax. No. I have to go. I can't do this anymore. I have to go. It's already late. Look at the time. Come on, Bernice. You can't leave so soon. Why? I want to have fun and discuss. But you did not tell me that it's a night out. I would have known. I didn't drive it. I didn't come with my car. I don't just relax. Just enjoy.
Beautiful Bernice.
Alhaji.
Sanya.
Alhaji.
Always beautiful.
Thank you.
Bernice.
Sir.
Kai, why told you this alive? I admire your power light and take you. So what's the problem? Why are you standing here talking? I'm supposed to be sitting there enjoying yourselves. I am comfortable. When I need to put every bill. Yeah? Go there, sit down and enjoy yourself.
Alhaji, Bernice wants to leave now. She did not come with her car because it has issues.
Bernice. You can never try that. Yeah? Relax yourself. I am comfortable for. Yeah. I know the transaction of business I do. Yes, in the Gabo, in the Sahel Savannah. Yeah, we control Niger. Yeah, all the business, the transaction between Nigeria and Sudan, so we are in charge. Yeah, I can get to another car. That is never problem. But for this night, relax yourself. Yeah, make me feel comfortable. I don't want to be bored tonight Wallahi, at the end of the day, you will be very happy.
I thought this was supposed to be MIA.
Yes, we were supposed to discuss the upcoming event at the government house.
You mean about the concert?
Yes.
Venice, how about? Don't fisgate. Yeah, I mean, don't fisgate. English, fisgate. Feel free. That contract is already your own.
Thank you, sir.
Wallahi, I did what I supposed to do. All you need to do now is go to that office, sign their document, give them anything they ask you to give them.
Okay, sir.
But be very, very careful. Kinaji, be very, very careful. Make sure you never disappoint me.
I will never disappoint you, sir.
You know you come. Well, you came highly. What name? Hello, English. You come highly recommended.
Thank you so much,
yes.
sir. Thank you so much.
So please, babies, let us go there.
Sorry, sir. I have to be on my way now, okay? My husband will be waiting for me. You know it's late and he'll be worried sick over me. But I promise I will make it up next time. Please, sir. Next time.
I will hold you by your welfare.
Yes, sir.
Sonia?
Yes.
It's alright. Go get your things ready. I will instruct my driver to drive you.
Oh, Alaji, don't worry about that. I will just drop her off. Yes. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
Bye.
Beautiful here.
Bye.
Venice. One of these days I must finish up. Can you wait and come and check up on my order? Yes. Venice, how are you, dear? Yeah. Always looking at you.
Why are you sneaking into our room like a thief?
Oh, are you still awake? Oh, hey, babe, you awake? I didn't know you're still awake.
And why would I sleep when my wife is still out there having fun?
I'm sorry, baby. I thought you were still asleep, so I just had to wake you quietly so I don't get to disturb you.
Really? Or you were shy away from not telling me why you couldn't take my calls?
Calls?
And later your phone was not reachable, which I perceive you put on flight mode?
No, I wouldn't do such. Why did I put my phone on flight mode? Moreover, I didn't even see your call. I didn't hear it ring. My phone has been in my bag all along. See?
Let me have your phone.
Okay. Here.
You see what I'm talking about? Your phone is on flight mode!
What? How is that even possible? Wait. Baby, I swear I didn't put it on flight mode. I don't even know how it got there.
Why are you still denying the obvious? Why? Wait, are you cheating on me?
No, babe, I would never do such. I'm not cheating on you.
Then why didn't you take my calls? I mean, why would a married woman not take her husband's call?
I don't know how this phone got in flight mode, and I'm so sorry I didn't see your call. I don't know how all this happened. Believe me.
Really? You don't have to know. Because ever since you started going to that gym, you changed.
Me?
I mean, you completely changed. Maybe you're sleeping with other men.
Enough. Okay? Just hold it right there. I'll take anything, but for me to stand here and listen to you insult my fidelity, that I can't take. It's not nice. Darling, I'm so sorry, okay? I don't know how all this happened. I'm really sorry I didn't see your call to take. I'm so sorry, but I'm never cheating on you. I have never, and I will never cheat on you, darling.
Really?
Exactly.
You tell those lies to the birds. Good night.
I've said it again and again. I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women that don't place value on you.
No way! No
is so beautiful. This is big. Wait, Sonia. You mean it's that mystery guy that got you this, right? Yes, babe. Girl, this is huge. I know. Thank you. I can't even wait to change my own life. Bernice, yeah, you can't even have one today. Only if you say yes to honorary. That's all. Please, Erica, don't even go there because it's not happening. Can you imagine my husband accused me of cheating on him last night? Please, oh.
Can you imagine? And then you are acting all virtuous, the virtuous wife.
See, Bernice, you need to wise up, okay? I mean, this is a golden opportunity that is right on your doorstep. Be fast before your husband starts misbehaving. Yes. No, please don't even go there because I will never believe it. It will never happen. I know Alex, my husband, too well. I mean, this is the man we both have gone through thick and thin together. And you tell me this? Please, not my husband. But right now, I can never ever imagine myself in the arms of another man aside my Alex. So, sorry.
Anyways, such yourself, right? I enjoy my life.
Oh, yes, girl.
But they have changed. Can't believe they wish me to suppress. Must I join their evil ways? Must I join their cheated lifestyle? It's the good bad girls.
I'm sure Alhaji got her that car. Don't mind her. She has used her charm to corner him to herself. Which one is charm again? My dear, charm or no charm, she got herself a big fish.
I beg, ma, here. What's that? It's a bad character that sent out of her marriage.
Take this one. Come on, take it easy. Why are you taking it so personal? Are you jealous or something?
Jealous of who? Sonia? Oh, please.
Oh, Sonia or no Sonia, you're jealous. Please let Jim and go home. Are you ready for this or not? Your hair to stop like
Now we'll go in.
I don't know. What if I can cry right now?
Okay, let's go.
I need you to send me the itinerary once you book your ticket. Yeah, it's going to help me to prepare, the time and dates that you'll be landing, so I can pick you up. I miss you too, baby. I'm missing you like... Yeah, I miss you so much, baby. What? Stop. Baby. Please let me call you back, okay? Alright, my love. I love you. Yeah.
I've been looking for you everywhere.
Why? What do you want from me?
Well, I want you to come with me. Come.
Here? To where?
Come with me first.
I don't understand. I should be following you. Gee, you don't follow me.
It's obvious Bernice is not changing her mind anytime soon. And I don't want to return back that car to Alhaji. But how do I get him to have her?
Bernice is indeed a hard nut to crack. I was expecting her fall for it when I told her that if she says yes to Honorable, that she can get to him.
The problem now is how do I get her to Alhaji? Alhaji is expecting to spend the night with her this weekend. Oh.
I know what to do.
Are you alright?
What's going on?
Is everything alright? You're worried.
Oh, God, I almost spoiled this.
Girls, I don't know what's going on. I mean, Sir Douglas has been acting strange. He doesn't take my calls. He doesn't reply my messages. Even when he picks my calls, he would say he's busy, he will call me back. But he never calls.
Maybe he's busy. You know all these businessmen and their schedule.
Exactly. Has he called you lately?
Oh, no. Girls, I'll be inside, okay?
So what about sending a text message? Have you tried doing that?
I have countless times. I just have to do that again.
I've said it again and again, I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women that don't place value on you. I love you with all my heart, I will never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think. To never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think.
Angel.
Welcome, Dad.
Hey, how's your day?
Welcome, baby.
I get your favorite.
Oh, thanks, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's go.
Baby, I've already made dinner. I made white rice, vegetable sauce, and so.
Mom, I thought I had that in the morning. So I think I'll face the one that Dad bought for me. My favorite pasta.
Darling, but
Angel, let's go to the dining room, okay?
Hey, Dad.
Yes. Your favorite is here, okay? Sit. Make yourself comfortable. Okay, let me finish it for you. I'll be right back.
Angel, don't you want to have vegetable sauce?
Master Joe, the cheated lifestyle. It's the good bad girls. It's the good bad girls.
Baby, can we talk?
What do you want to talk about?
You, me, us. Your attitude towards me lately has changed. You no longer want to talk to me like the way we used to gist and laugh, joke around. You don't even want to eat my food anymore. When I try to strike a conversation, you just ignore me, unlike you.
That is because I've decided to set you free. Since you chose your gym group over us.
Come on, baby, you know this is not true. I can never choose the gym over you nor Angel because I cherish and love you both. But I've really met cool people at the gym, and it's because of the group that I got to bag a multi-million naira contract. All thanks to them. It's just a place I go not only for sports, but also to network.
And also to hang out. And do hookup.
Hey!
Yes! I also watch that on TV.
Come on, you shouldn't listen to these things. I can never ever do it. Okay? I will never cheat on you. Baby, please. Okay, fine. I will, I'm going to reduce the days I go to the gym. But right now, I need to seal that deal. And all I ask of you is just to give me your trust. And a little more time, please, darling. Just a little more time.
I am no longer comfortable with your hangout. I mean, all your gym routine. I am not comfortable. Good night.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm fine, baby.
Hope you're enjoying the view.
Yeah. I hope my first time in Asaba will be worth it, baby.
Of course, you're gonna enjoy it here, and that's why I'm taking you back home.
But I wonder why you choose Asaba over Lagos. You've not told me.
Don't worry, you'll soon find out.
You think so?
Come on, trust me on this. I know what it's like, and that's why I think you.
Really?
Yeah, you'll soon find out. I like the way you touch it.
Come on, you're
I
still
miss
naughty.
you a lot,
I
you know?
miss you too, baby.
Yeah.
I love you so much. I'm happy to be here. Aww. Wow. I think you guys have a nice streets.
Of course, you have a beautiful places. That's what I want you to know and see for yourself. Because all of you believe, except in abroad, no place is beautiful or better than abroad. That's why I needed you to see the view of this place.
You testify to that.
And that's what I'm doing.
Well, I've not seen anything bad yet.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Just send me your account numbers.
Oh, thank you very much, Alhaji. Thank you very much.
The money I have to give you for making me fraud.
Okay. I need to think fast before my lies catches up with me.
Will you stop that?
I can't.
What's the meaning of that? That is my fiancé right there. What are you trying to do?
I'm sorry. I came here to tell you how sorry I am. I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive me.
Will you come up with that?
Stop, Michael. I'm sorry. Frankly speaking, I'm sorry. Okay? I promise you, it's not gonna ever happen again. Okay?
Mimi!
I have come up with an idea. This idea of yours better work because I want to teach Pennies a lesson. I'm not about to lose all those gifts Alhaji gave me. I'm not gonna lose it. We have to drug her. If we drug her, she won't be able to perform now. Not that kind of drug. There's this particular drug that will really, yes, which will make her lose control of reality. Wow, that makes our work easy, sure, and we'll just capture her and send the video to the husband to watch. Exactly, yes. I like your idea. You love me. Wow, bad girl.
Say that again. When they say innocent, please, oh my please. I'm sorry.
Hi, Ben.
Hi, my dad.
How you doing?
Good.
Do you mind if I have a word with you?
Sure.
Can we have it in private, please?
Okay, alright.
Okay. Listen.
Enough of this. Just stop it. You're so shameless. You are very, very shameless. Is this how you go about for licking with every man that come across you? What's your deal? I ask you again, what's your deal? I thought you said Micah is not in the class of me. You did.
And so, is that why you threw yourself at him? The same way you went behind Jackie to take Douglas away from her.
Hold on. What did you say?
Yes. She has been seeing Douglas behind your back. Boom.
Mimi, is that true? Yes. He has called a couple of times and he made me promise not to tell you. She knew about it! And she has been collecting money from me! Oh, you spilled everything because of Micah. You know, you two are a bunch of liars! I mean, you said you don't like Micah, that he's not your... And you! You've been seeing Douglas behind me? Jeez! You two have been playing me in my house!
Eh? Which house? Which house are you talking about? This house and everything in it belongs to the three of us.
That's
so
what
which one are you talking about? You say, are you mad? What are you okay?
You heard her! No!
Are you high?
Which house? No! Wait! Yeah! What's your property? Please! What's the problem?
Baby, I had a good laugh today. Like they were all over you with different moves. Like, my boobs, she almost threw that boobs to your face. My axe, can you help me push? Is this what you guys do here? Like, because I'm here, you're just trying to...
Baby. It's not what you think, eh? Baby, it's not what you think.
You almost throw her boobs to your face.
Baby, it's not what you think. Eh? You know, this is Jim. And I need to help all of them.
Really?
It's not what you think, eh? Baby, yeah? You know you are the love of my life. And without you, I wouldn't have had all of this. I can't trade you for anything. Not even anyone, baby. Eh? You know I love you so much. Eh? Baby, only if you allow me to bring cola to your people.
There we go again. Come on, baby. We've talked about this. Just few months and we'll proceed with the marriage plans, please.
Baby, eh? You know these few months is like many years to come. Baby, you know I can't even exist without you. I can't wait for you to be my wife, baby.
Come on.
You know how much I love you. Baby, I missed you. Eh? Promise me you not leave.
No. After my masters, I'm coming right back.
Please. Eh?
Of course.
I have your word, right?
Yeah.
That's
I love
my
you.
I've said it again and again. I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women that don't place value on you. I love you with all my heart. I'll never cheat on you.
Must you attend the hangout?
No. Maybe I thought we've discussed about this and we're over and done with it. Come on, I just need to attend this. All I need from you right now is your trust. Please.
So it's going to be all-night party, huh?
Yes. But trust me when I say I'll be back here latest by 11 p.m. Okay? I need to be there and discuss with the organizer so we can disclose the finalization and documentation of the event. That's it.
Can I have the address of the event?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
I've said it again and again, I will never cheat on you. I'm not like other women that don't place value on you. I love you with all my heart, I'll never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me?
Oh, okay. Come here. Please.
Stay here. Just wait here, okay? Hello? Hello, Lanchi. Come on. Get off me. Yes, just... Yes, we're at the lodge. We're already here. Okay. Alright. Take off my shoes. Enjoy it. I will deal with you.
Oh, come here.
Relax! You think you just have a multi-million naira contract just like that? You want to make me lose all the multi-million naira gifts Alaji gave me? It's not going to happen. You will see. Take off my shoes. Okay. Take off.
Yeah, come on.
Don't yes, just relax, okay?
Lie down. Okay.
Now, babe, just relax, okay? Relax. Just lie down, relax. Okay, yes. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, babe, I said we're here. Just relax. What is wrong? Wait, I'm ready coming for you.
Beautiful babies.
I had to welcome.
Thank you very much. You people kept me waiting.
Oh, we're sorry, we are here now. She's all yours now, Alaji.
You kept me waiting. Salam alaikum.
Oh, wow, Alaji.
Babies. Yes, at least I am very happy now. This thing I am seeing now is making me very, very joyous. Guys, Sonia, Erika, wallahi, I am very, very happy.
Yes,
and I must do something about this wallahi. So, please, can you be excused us? Yes. Oh yes, baby. So, yes, we enjoy ourselves. Cry, ladies.
Not so fast. Benis, what is it? Benis, what is it? What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm doing exactly what you want me to do.
And what is it?
You think I don't know? You think I don't know that you spiked my drink? Yeah?
What did you say?
You heard me loud and clear. You spiked my drink, right? Are you dumb now?
Wait. Can someone tell me exactly what is going on?
I'm that someone that will tell you exactly what is going on. The other day when I was leaving the gym, Micah came up to me and told me what these two had been planning.
Dennis, are you aware that your friend has been receiving gifts on your behalf from the allergy?
Well, yes, I know, and they told me about it. But I asked them to return it back to Alaji.
Are you guys having any hangout plan for this weekend?
How did you know about it? Yes.
I overheard your friends planning to drug you so that Elijah can have his way with you.
How? It's a lie. Come on, no, you don't have to say that. Sonia can never ever do that to me. I mean, she's my childhood friend, and including Erica. She can't do that to me.
Dennis, I'm only telling you this because of your presence. And even if you don't believe me, I need you to be very, very careful. Please, you need to watch your back.
Is this what you said you wanted to talk about?
Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. You need to be very careful.
Isn't it strange how I missed my husband's calls and my phone on flight mode? Does it mean someone tampered with my phone? I'm off to the gym. Help me take Angel to school on your way to work. Bye.
That has been my routine ever since you got yourself a new man.
I don't have...
I've said it again and again. I will never
Do have a nice day at work.
I'm not like other women. They don't place value on you. I love you with all my heart. I'll never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think. I love you with all my heart. Will never cheat on you. Why don't you trust me for once? It's not what you think.
Sorry, did you say something?
Oh, no. No, I didn't. This necklace, it really looks nice. Where did you buy it?
Thank you. My mystery man gave me as gift.
Oh, nice. Your mystery man. When do I get to know this your mystery man?
Yeah, sure. Have your juice.
Yeah, sure. Oh, it must be expensive.
Yes.
I feel so sad about this now. I feel really sad. I mean, Erica, Sonia, and I have really come through a long way for them to turn around and want to hurt me. I can't even believe they want to do this to me. Why do they want to do it to me? What did I ever do to them? What?
You know, people change, right? And that is why you need to be very, very careful.
I'll just have to cut them off. Yeah, there's no point. And stop coming to this gym. Moreover, my husband doesn't even like the fact that I'm always here every time. He's already fed up about the whole gym group thing.
If I were you, I would give them back the dose of their poison. And besides, you have to talk to Allergy and let him know that you have not received anything from them.
Yeah, it's very easy. I'll just walk up to him and tell him straight up.
And you think they will not deny you? Do you really believe they will not deny you?
Alright, fine. What do I do? What?
I have a plan.
You do?
Yeah. I'll tell you about it. Okay? Let's go.
So Alhaji, now you've seen it all. I want to tell you that I also never took any of your gifts. Not even one. I don't know what they did with it. Right? I'm a married woman with a child. And I will never cheat on my husband for anything. As for you two, you sure will get what you deserve. Shame on you.
Hey, stop there! Uncle, wallahi tallahi, any attempt to make a single step, wallahi, I will destruction two of you.
Alhaji, we're sorry. Alhaji, it's the devil. Alhaji.
I don't want to listen to any rubbish from your mouth. And don't try to tackle me anything. Wallahi, kunchi borobanku. Kunchi kani yanku. Shogun, in shasha.
Alhaji, please, Alhaji, please, we're sorry. Alhaji, it's the devil.
Okay, Adamu. Kanaji now. Immediately after that woman that is putting black leaves the gate, lock that gate and don't open it to anybody. Kajiko.
Alhaji, please.
Wallahi, you have made me very, very angry. So all this while, all the gift I've been given to that baby, you are combating it to yourself? Yeah? Wallahi, kunchikani yangu. Wallahi, today I will discipline two of you. I will invite. Wait, Tukuna.
Alhaji, we're sorry. Alhaji,
sorry, Ubanka. Sorry, na waruku. Shagun.
Alhaji.
Salaam alaikum. Difio. Aha. Da Allah da Annabi, this time, this moment, I want you to send 2 trucks full of police officers to my lodge. Yes. Wallahi, I have an important issue to handle. We catch criminals. Yes, in my lodge. Yes. Yawa, yanzu nan police. Wallahi, listen. You think you can steal from me?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
You look at me as a gentle body, you think you can ravish me?
No, sir.
Yeah. All this while I give you money, I give you a car, I give you jewelry, I give you everything. You corner it for your own? Yeah. You think you can ravish me? Wallahi, 2 of you rat in jail. I will make sure I discipline 2 of you. So I get in. Because of people in the tomorrow. Wallahi, you must learn your lesson. I must finish 2 of you.
But if you look at it, we did not steal.
Shagu, and Iska. Wallahi, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
Sorry, Alhaji, look at it, we did not steal.
I've said it again and again. I will never cheat on you. I'm not like
this is really bad. I thought this girl was a childhood friend.
Yeah. But sadly, people change, right?
Babe, I'm just happy they didn't succeed in ruining our marriage. I'm glad they didn't succeed.
Hey, darling, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for not listening to you when you told me to stop going there. But I promise you now that I will never go back to that gym. I'm sorry, my husband.
It's okay, babe. I guess I have to fix a gym for you at home, so you don't have to be going out there for gym. What do you think?
Darling, are you sure about this? The equipment are really pricey.
Anything for you, baby.
You're kidding me, right? Oh my God, I love you, baby.
I love you too.
I just told you I'm pregnant. Is that all you could say?
Jackie, you know I'm a married man. I will send you some money so you get rid of it. Don't call me again. As regards to this. Bye.
Hello, Chief. Hello. Hello, Chief. No. You could.
I'm also pregnant for Chief. I found out this morning.
You what? You're pregnant for Chief? After all the fun. So this is how we ended up. This life is vanity. Now Chief knows he's a married man. All he said is that she abort the baby. As if it's easy.
What are you going to do now?
Of course not abort the baby. You don't expect me to keep this child.
Well, I'm not aborting mine. With the little money I've saved, I will relocate, start up a business, then have my baby. I'm not signing up for an abortion.
I've said it again.
Hello?
Anis.
Who is this?
Honorable Alhaji
You? Why are you calling me? I feel I told you.
Calm down and listen to what I have to say. That contract is your own. Like I said before, that contract is your own. If you have any doubt in your mind, feel free.
Serious? Oh my God.
That contract is your own.
Alhaji, are you serious?
You can come with your husband to finish the signing of the document.
Sir. Thank you so much. I'm overwhelmed. God bless you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Yes, sure. Thank you. I'll be there. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you. Ah! Oh my God. Yes! Jeez. Oh my God, am I dreaming? I got the contract still. God, you're so good. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. I can't wait to share this with my husband. I finally got the contract.
It's the good bad girls. We have come a long way, but they have changed. Can't believe they wish me to separate. Must I join their evil ways? Must I join their cheating lifestyle? It's the good bad girl.